see all these things in this video. Welcome to our channel, Best Project. Today, we will discuss about the topic, underground fault detection system. Underground power lines handle all the power going to the consumer. Sometimes fault occurs, and fault detection must be done quickly to avoid loss of consumers. For this purpose, this project is implemented. Please watch complete video for better experience. Let's talk about the components used. It is a GSM module. It is removable, and it has a SIM card for sending the text messages. Spring attached to it is the antenna to receive and send signals. It is main switch. It is used to turn on and off the entire system. This is a voltage regulator circuit to provide constant 5-volt DC supply to Arduino. The Arduino Nano is the brain of system. It is removable for study purpose. It has following features as described on screen. We are using 16x2 LCD to see the fault location and name of line. It is removable for study purpose. This black knob is the contrast adjustment knob for 16x2 LCD. This line has the artificial fault switches for R phase. These 4 switches creates underground fault at 1 km distance each. This line has the artificial fault switches for Y phase. Y phases has the same sets of fault switches on 1 km each, from 1 km to 4 km. And also this line has the artificial fault switches for B phase. First switch creates fault at 1 km, second one creates fault at 2 km, and same for 3 and 4 km. If you think this video is useful, please like the video. Project needs main supply to execute the operation. Project setup has dedicated plug for power supply to avoid any difficulty. Turning on the setup using the main switch. Project name is appearing on the screen. Name of students appearing on the screen. Please share this video with your friends. Let's test it and see its working performance. On this device, we will receive SMS alerts. First test will conduct on R phase. Going to create artificial underground fault at 1 km using the toggle switch. Fault has detected by the system so quickly, as you can see on the LCD. Remember, 5 seconds required to get an SMS after the fault. We have got the SMS alert of 1 km fault on mobile phone. Time for 2 km of underground fault. According to LCD screen, system has detected 2 km of fault at R phase. Again we get the SMS alert of 2 km fault on mobile screen. Same for 3 km of fault. If you have any queries, please ask in comment section. SMS alert received for 3 km of R phase fault. We will perform the same operation on each phase. Now, starting for Y phase fault test. Fault has detected by the system so quickly. Remember, fault means underground short circuit fault. SMS alert received. We can also see fault on different phases at the same time, as you can see. Four kilometers of fault detected. Concentrate on LCD screen, it shows fault location with fault name. Got the SMS alert for B phase at 4 kilometers. We have many other videos available on this channel. Please visit to description box to watch more videos on different topics. Got SMS alert of Y phase short circuit fault at 3 kilometers distance. Don't forget to share video with your friends. All the faults has cleared on B phase. We got the SMS that B phase is okay again. We have both features, distance with phase name, for ease of maintenance operation. Y phase is showing okay on LCD. Got the same SMS alert on mobile phone. Some more test is conducting of our project setup. It indicates our system is working very fine. After this session, we will have a look on backside wiring. If you wanna buy this setup, visit description box. We have many other videos on different topics. Please visit to our channel. If you have any queries, please ask in comment section. We will see you in next video. Take care.